name is Pastor Vaughan. Good morning, boys and girls. Oh, I'm saying. Can somebody repeat that? I am fearfully. One more time. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. You know it. You know it.
We are His people and the sheep of His pastures. Enter into His gates with thanksgiving and into His courts with praise. Be thankful to Him and bless His name.
Hello, did you enjoy your week of exciting learning opportunities? I hope so. I invite you to bring your children, grandchildren, nephews, nieces, neighbors. Bring them to Hyland House to experience the Hyland House brand. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you.